I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to do the powerful combination with Ollama Openclaw Nemotron 3 Super with pre-coding. So first, opening this place command prompt. Let's use the CLS. Now, if I write there Ollama version, so you can see 13.8 that install. So if I write there Openclaw version, so you can see Openclaw that install. Thereafter, let's open the Ollama. So by writing this, press enter, then you can get this model. So chat with model, you can see this all available. So model, you can see this here, this Nemotron, KB, JLM, this. So let's go back and here I'm going to use their launch Openclaw. Then here you need to press right arrow. Then you can get this Kimi and JLM Minimax Nemotron 3 Super. So Nemotron 3 Super, that selecting there and now press enter. And wait for a few seconds. So channel selected. I will do this later. So starting a assistant, this may take a moment. So assistant is now starting there. You can see assistant is now starting. That's the minimize and starting your assistant. Here Openclaw is running. And only wait for few second times. This is running now. Here Openclaw this. Then after this here save to this one. Now let's write there hello. So giving there hello message. This is now running. Here you can see Ollama Nemotron 3. Hi, just came online. Who am I? Who are you? So you can ask any question. Who are you? Whatever. So I need to know how to run MongoDB in Windows. So this is the question is now. I will have a MongoDB. Let us start clicking what we have available. So this all returning there. This all returning there. Thereafter, you can ask any coding related things here. So this is how we can do the combination of Ollama Openclaw Nemotron 3 Super with free coding. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.